the selfish pain, it was worth it every time. Oh, so right before we crash, 'cause we both know how this ends. A clock ticks till the breaks your glass, and I'm drowning in you again.